Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're going to make a spring summer shadow box. So I did the Christmas tree shadow box. Go back to December, end of November, you'll see that video. I might even link it at the end of this one. And it was the red truck, Christmas tree in the back. I had fake snow that the truck was traveling through. It turned out really fantastic. It ended up being a gift for a couple and they really enjoyed it. So I thought, well, let's make a spring summer one. I love the red truck, but let's do flowers. So I'm going to use the exact same truck. So let's look up tree truck. There it is. We're going to look up fresh flower. So you look at all these fresh flower markets. There's that one. And then flower pot. We're going to do multi-layers. And I'm going to have to scroll down here a bit for the one that I chose. And really, you could do many different types of flowers. Whatever you like. It's your project, right? There's the flower pot there at the bottom. So we'll add all of these to the canvas. So there is everything. So the truck's really small. So get it to the size that you want. And all you have to do is on the layers panel, just hide all the parts to the truck, to the tree, not the truck. So there, truck is done. For the fresh flower market, for me, I just unlocked it and I sized it the way I wanted. And then for my flowers, I just did some slicing and contouring to get rid of the pot on the bottom. Let me give you just a quick example in case you're unsure of what I'm talking about. Okay. So we'll do the green and the pink layer. For the red layer, just get a square. Actually, you don't have to do that. Never mind. Click contour, hide. There, that side, that layer's done. We're going to zoom in for this. Just want to get them lined up. Slice. Give it a second. There we go. Move the green layer out. See, we don't want that because it's the bottom part. So we're gonna, with that highlighted, hit contour, hide the bottom. Just get these lined up again. And then highlight both and click weld. As easy as that. Make as many as you want, change the colors, whatever floats your boat. I'm going to get my stuff cut out and I'll meet you at my craft table. Here's the truck and the flowers cut out. So for the flowers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of mix and match on each one just to get an explosion of color. So let's get started on those. We'll do the truck after. So move those out of the way. So I'll show you one just in case you're a little confused on how it goes together. And don't forget, if you want to flip them, you got to flip the corresponding pieces because I'm going to do a couple each way. So we'll attach our green onto the yellow first. That's a lot of glue. try your best to get it lined up. I'm a little off-centered on that one, but that's okay. Now your green piece, this one just goes right on top, just like that. So we'll add a bit of glue to this one. This will be time consuming if you choose the same flowers, but I think it's going to be worth it. Just trying to get the glue kind of throughout. Any big blobs, again, just kind of wipe them down and then you won't see it as much. On the other side. Line him on top. See, looking cute so far. And we'll add pink one on here. Again, you're not going to need a huge amount of glue. Just line them up. There's that one on top. And what color should we put with it? Let's do the blue. It's right there. So I'm just gonna figure out it goes on that way. Again, just dab the glue on. You don't need much. There, first one done. I'll get the rest of them done and then I'll come back and we'll do the truck. There, all the flowers are glued together. I went ahead and glued the two pieces, red pieces of the truck together, and I also did the wheels. It goes black, white, red, darker gray, lighter gray. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 bunches of flowers and we're going to attach them to the gray layer. So we're just going to glue them kind of like that. So you can make them a little higher, a little lower. Whatever works for you. Now all this gray is going to be hidden, so you don't have to worry about too much glue or not enough glue. We want some of the greenery to be popping through once the red is on. Now don't worry about the different layers. We're attaching the red layer with foam squares. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll add the red layer. I added the foam tape there. So we're going to add our red piece on. Just trying to line this up best I can. That's pretty good. Okay. Wheels are supposed to go like that, so the half moon, crescent moon, sorry, is just on an angle. I'm going to use just one foam square in the middle for each one. This truck just looks fantastic once it's put together. There, that part's done. Now for our grass. So I found this grass tile. It's self-adhesive. As you can see, there's a peely back on it. I don't know how sticky it will be. It looks pretty sticky, actually. You see there. So what I'm going to do is, this is how much grass I want. We had the template on Design Space. I'm just off camera going to cut what I need. You know, whatever area is the fluffiest, and I'll get that cut out. And then we can start actually layering everything together. Here is the background we are going to use. I've pulled the backing off our piece of grass. So let's get this attached. It is shedding a little bit. Make sure as well, if you do find this in your local dollar store, use heavy duty scissors to cut it. It cut fine with heavy duties, not so much with craft scissors. Tried those at first, don't use those. So I'm gonna line up the truck so it looks like it's just driving through the grass. Now, because this is so thick, I'm going to triple my foam tape. So just across there. And then hopefully this will keep it up high enough. That it won't look weird against the grass. So I'll get that all ready and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I have it triple thick. So let's get it attached. Oh, I got a little fuzzy hair or something there. So again, I want it looking like it's driving kind of through the grass, and we're going to be adding those flowers. There. Oh, that's looking good. So I'm going to be adding the flowers kind of throughout this area. Got lots to choose from. I made more than I needed, and I'll play around with the colors and positioning. I'll do that off camera, but next thing we got to do is add our words. So I went with black vinyl for our words. So I'm going to get this lined up best I can. It's always the tricky part. Does that look straight against the top? I think it does. See him picking up that green grass still. Well, I'm going to add my flowers, put the box together, then show you the final reveal. So there's the final shadow box. What do you think? I think it definitely looks like a truck driving through a field of flowers. I probably could have added maybe some more flowers on the bottom, but I didn't want to overwhelm it. I did use double-sided tape for that, and then these were the ones I had left over. So decided the red, because it was the same color as the truck, would have looked maybe not as good at the bottom, but I could be wrong. I don't know. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Till next time.